Good day and welcome to SMT News, Trooping the Colors Special Bulletin. I am Gautami Gopal Patil
and my name is Tanvi Ramesh Patil.
SMT English Medium School's first inter-school competition event, Trooping the Color, is wonderfully completed at school campus.
So many students from different schools of different villages came and took part in it. Our special reporter Mansi Deepak Patil is joining with more details.
Hello Tanvi, today is one of the most important days in the history of SMT English Medium School, Holnanta. The event Trooping the Colors, the name itself stands for the royal birthday, and we are conducting this event on behalf of the birthday of our Honorable Chairman Mr. Sanjay Santosh Patil. Most of our event titles are bit strange and unique, like Trooping the Colors and Accolade Ceremony, etc. The event title is given by our Honorable Principal Mr. Danny Cyrus. As you can see, hundreds of students had gathered here for this event. As a host team, we are also participating in this competition but not competing any. I wish all the best to all the contestants. With cameraman Durgesh Bhagwan Mahajan, this is Mansi Deepak Patil, SMT News.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Now moving on to other news.
SMT English Medium School celebrated the birthday of our beloved chairman Professor Sanjay Santosh Patil by conducting several competitions. Stage 1 speech competition exhibited some real talent.
Speech competitions were held in 3 languages, Marathi, Hindi and English from primary to higher section. And we have some Marathi speech winners here. Let's hear their feedback.
Hello Tanvi, on the occasion of birthday of our Honorable Chairman Mr. Sanjay Santosh Patil, SMT English Medium School Honanta has conducted very amazing inter-school competition in our school. I am now standing in front of stage 1 where speech competition are being held. After the result announcement, I have first prize winners for Marathi speech with me. Hello, what is your name?
This is Para Patil from KVTR CBSE School, Shirpur.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Pranjal.
Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Kalyani Prem Patil.
What is your name?
Myself, Harshita Mahendra Patil. I am from KVTR CBSE School, Shirpur.
What is your name?
My name is Vignesh Lakhan Chaudhary. I am from KVTR CBSE School, Shirpur.
How do you feel about today's program?
It was a wonderful experience with the SMT school. The whole staff, they were too attentive and their hospitality was too good. It was the first experience for me, which was so good. And by this, I really appreciate the efforts of the Mr. Principal Sir and all the staff and all that. Therefore, it was a very good program.
Thank you, dear. With cameraman Avinash Suresh Kodi, this is Janvi Narendra Patil, SMT News.
Thank you so much, Janvi. At the same time, the reporters are coming from the stage 2 where the lower section patriotic song now have a winner.
Our reporter Avinash Suresh Kohli is joining with the patriotic song winner from primary level.
Hello Gautami, primary section patriotic song competition are now just finished and I have a winner here with me. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Moksh Pankaj Thakre.
What is your school name?
My school name is KVTR CBSE School, Shirpur.
What do you feel now?
I feel very happy and good, and I would like to thanks Shreya ma'am, Harshita Vani ma'am and Rakesh Borse sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much dear. With cameraman Kailash Eknath Shinde, this is Avinash Suresh Kodi, SMT News.
Thank you, Avinash. In other news, we have some winners from stage 1 English speech competition.
As we know, from primary students and high school students are competing today, and we have some English speech winners who got first place from lower section to higher section. Our reporter Naneshwari Suresh Patil is joining with the winners.
Hello Naneshwari, what is the latest news from stage 1 English speech competition?
As we are celebrating the birthday of our Honorable Chairman Mr. Sanjay Santosh Patil, SMT School, inter-school competition are going on in the school campus. Now I am with English speech winner. Let's ask their feedback. Hello, what is your name?
Myself Palak Ahir Rao.
Which school are you from?
I am representing KVTR CBSE School, Shirpur.
How do you feel today?
I feel very nice and my overall experience was very nice. All the students, teachers, especially Principal Sir, they are all very nice, and I felt I want to thank you all for giving us this kind of opportunity, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much dear. With cameraman Durgesh Bhagwan Mahajan, this is Naneshwari Suresh Patil, SMT News.
Thank you dear. It is really amazing to watch a young talent competing each other in our school campus on this day.
Another reporter is joining with the patriotic song winner from upper primary level with our special reporter Devendra Sanjay Patil.
Hello Gautami, I am standing near the stage first, the winner of Patriotic Song Competition, an amazing student from KVTR School, Shirpur. Let's hear more from her. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sejal Racing Pavra.
What is your name?
Lakshmi Praveen Kodi.
Please give your feedback about this program.
I feel very happy today and satisfied also, and the arrangement done by the school was very good. मेरे को आज यहाँ हैप्पी लग रहा है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you so much dear. With cameraman Durgesh Bhagwan Mahajan, this is Devendra Sanjay Patil, SMT News.
Thank you, Devendra. In other news,
As today is a very special day of our school, our principal Mr. Danny Cyrus is joining along with our special reporter Pushpak Narendra Jadhav.
hello Pushpak, what is our beloved principal has to say on this occasion?
Hello Tanvi, I have the person here who is the mastermind behind all the programs, activities, events of our school. Mr. Danny Cyrus, our principal. Let's hear what he wants to share with us today. Hello sir, first of all the title of the event, Trooping the Color. What is meaning of it?
See, the trooping the color is actually it's a kind of a celebration or an event which is conducted in English countries, especially in England, where the people or the citizens of a country will be celebrating the birthday of their king on this day, and so many different kinds of activities and competitions will be held during these birthday celebrations. So that is what is Trooping the Color, and I just adapted that name, and I thought it's suitable for our school because our chairman, Professor Sanjay Santosh Patil, is like a king in this campus. So he was actually a hero of many people, and I felt like this title is actually suitable for this event. That's how I chose this event, this title for this event.
What is your feedback on this event, sir?
My feedback was all positive feedbacks are there because we haven't expected this much of vibrant participation and performances by students. So many students have done marvelous job, an amazing job, because students were actually they have prepared very well. Some students even did not get enough time to prepare well, also have given a very good performance. I think this is the first time somebody is conducting a music competition in our place, and I'm so happy and impressed, and I'm so blessed and delightful for being the person who is conducting this event in the school. And 19th of October is not only the birthday of our chairman, but also the birthday of our chairman's best friend, as well as the executive director of our school, Advocate Sunil Boisar. And both of them, I wish them advance happy birthday. And that's all from me today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. With cameraman Kailash Eknath Shinde, this is Pushpak Narendra Jadhav, SMT News.
Thank you so much, dear principal sir and reporter Pushpak. Moving on to other news.
The competition in stage 2 has been concluded and judges just now announced the winners.
The judgment of the speech competition is announced, and we have the winner of the Hindi speech is ready to share few words. Our reporter Namrata is joining with more details.
Greetings Tanvi, I am standing with Hindi speech winner. Let's get his feedback. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Dhruvesh Anil Kumar Thakre.
What is your school name?
I am from Smita Patil Public School, Daibat, Shirpur.
What is your village name?
My village name is Hol, and I am belonging from Taluka Shindkheda.
How do you feel today?
I am feeling very proud on me.
Thank you so much, dear winners. With cameraman Durgesh Bhagwan Mahajan, this is Namrata Deepak Patil, SMT News.
Trooping the Color is wonderfully going on at SMT English Medium School, Honanta.
Exactly, we have guests from different parts of the taluka, and so many students as well as their teachers are here with us.
One of our reporter is joining with the teacher who came for the competition with her student.
Our reporter Diksha is joining with a teacher from KVTR CBSE School, Shirpur.
Hello Tanvi, Trooping the Color. As we going, so many students take part in this program. As you host, extremely delighted to them here. I am standing now with teacher. Hello ma'am, what is your feedback today's program?
Hello, I'm Shreya Agrawal from KVTR CBSE School Shirpur. It was wonderful to see that Mr. Danny sir and his team has taken a lot of effort to the success of this event, and arranging such an event at such place is nothing but to provide an opportunity to the local kids who are not able to reach to cities for these kids. Now today, just because of this program, we get to know so much about the skills of so much students, their singing skill, their auditory, everything. So I'm really thankful to the team of SMT Holnante for inviting us for this event. So it was a wonderful experience. Thank you so much for calling us.
Thank you so much, ma'am. With cameraman Kailas Eknath Shinde, this is Diksha Ashok Patil, SMT News.
Thank you so much, Diksha. Tripping the Color program of SMT is almost concluded, and the winners of the high school patriotic song is waiting to give feedback about this event.
Our special reporter Kailas Eknath Shinde is joining with the winner onto his word.
Hello Gautami, I am extremely delighted to stand with a patriotic song winner, and I introduce a talented student to our viewers. What is your name?
Myself Swasti Maheshwari from class 10th, KVTR CBSE School Shirpur.
Can you please share about your feedback?
I really appreciated the program and the dignitaries and all the mentors, all the teachers, because everything was very polite, and this was a very nice experience for me to be a winner.
Thank you so much. With cameraman Durgesh Bhagwan Majan, this is Kailas Eknath Shinde, SMT News.
Now we have a very special person to talk about. Our special reporter Darshana Dhanraj Patil is joining to share a few words about our Honorable Chairman Mr. Sanjay Santosh Patil, Professor at Pankaj Global.
एखाद्या व्यक्तीचा जन्म गावात होतो, पण त्यांचे कार्य संपूर्ण समाजासाठी प्रेरणादायक असते. अशाच एक व्यक्तिमत्वाचा आज आपण गौरव करत आहोत. आमच्या शाळेतील आदरणीय चेअरमन आबासाहेब श्री संजय संतोष पाटील सर. आबासाहेब यांचा जन्म 19 ऑक्टोबर 1982 रोजी दगडी ह्या प्रेमळ आणि संस्कृतीत वातावरणातून नटलेल्या गावात झाला. त्यांचे वडिलांचे नाव वासुदेव श्रावण पाटील, आईचे नाव खटाबाई वासुदेव पाटील, त्यांच्या पत्नीचे नाव शारदा संजय पाटील, मुलाचे नाव वंश संजय पाटील व मुलीचे नाव सेजल संजय पाटील आहे. बालपणापासून त्यांच्यात आत्मविश्वास, मेहनत आणि शिक्षणाची जिद्द होती. त्यांचे प्राथमिक शिक्षण जिल्हा परिषद प्राथमिक शाळा नांते येथे झाले. माध्यमिक शिक्षण श्री रामेश्वर रामरतन खंडवेलाल विद्यालय होलनांतेमध्ये झाले. तर उच्च माध्यमिक शिक्षण श्री पी.बी. पाटील उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय होलनांते येथे पूर्ण झाले. शिक्षणाची गोडी वाढवतच त्यांनी पदयुक्त शिक्षण SPDM महाविद्यालय शिरपूर आणि पदयुक्त शिक्षण पुणे विद्यापीठातून घेतले. सध्या ते पंकज विद्यालय चोपडा येथे प्राध्यापक म्हणून अध्यापनाचे कार्य करत आहेत. विद्यार्थ्यांना फक्त शिक्षण विषय शिकवणे नव्हे तर जीवनाचे धडे देणे हेच त्यांचे खरे ध्येय आहे. आबासाहेब यांनी फक्त स्वतःसाठी नव्हे तर समाजासाठी काहीतरी करण्याचा निर्धार केला. त्यातून कैलासवाणी जसूआई बहुउद्देशित संस्थेच्या आणि आमच्या SMT इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल या इंग्लिश माध्यमातून शाळेत जन्म झाला. शिक्षण हे खरे परिवर्तन साधन आहे या विश्वासाने त्यांनी संस्थेच्या पायाभरणी केली. आज हजारो विद्यार्थ्यांचे जीवन त्यांच्या विचारांनी उजळून आहेत. राजकीय पार्श्वभूमी नसतानाही जनसेवेच्या बळावर त्यांनी लोकांचा विश्वास जिंकला. त्यांच्या प्रामाणिकपणा आणि जनतेची असलेली घट्ट नात्याने ते आज धुळे जिल्हा परिषद येथे सदस्य या पदावर कार्य करत आहेत. हा आमचा सन्मान त्यांच्या कुणाचा आशीर्वाद नव्हे तर त्यांच्या संघर्षातून मिळणारा आहे. त्यांच्या शब्दांची प्रेरणा मिळते आणि त्यांच्या कृतीने आदर्श निर्माण होतो. संघर्षातून घडलेली ही कहाणी फक्त एक व्यक्तीची नाही, ती आहे जिद्दीची, निष्ठेची आणि सन्मानासाठी जबाबदारीची कहाणी. आबासाहेब ही आमच्या सर्वांसाठी प्रेरणास्थक आहे. त्यांच्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त आम्ही सर्व विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षक व कर्मचारी त्यांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो.
A few more winners are joining with our reporter Darshana Dhanraj Patil to give her feedback.
I have a few more winners with me. Hello, what is your name?
My name is Prachi Baidas Bill.
My name is Nehali Ratilal Patil.
Myself Nisha Dinesh Hatkar.
My name is Yashasvi Praveen Jadhav.
My name is Vivek Sanjeev Rathod.
My name is Sagar Rajendra Banjara.
What is your school name?
RC पटेल माध्यमिक विद्यालय बबड़ा.
आप इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में कुछ 2 शब्द बताइए.
हमें इस प्रोग्राम में भाग लेके बहुत अच्छा लगा और हमको इसके बारे में सपोर्ट करने वाले हमारे मोरे सर थे।
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि मैं इस भाग लूँगी। सारे बच्चे स्कूल के बच्चे आए तो फिर मुझे बहुत अच्छा।
Thank you so much with cameraman Durgesh Bhagwan Marchand. This is Dashanathan Raj Patil, SMT News.
Tripping the Color is concluded at SMT English Medium School, Honnanta, and grand finale has given an extremely delightful visual impact.
We would like to extend our sincere gratitude to all the guest contestants for being a part of this event.
Also, congratulations to the winners of this day.
And that wraps up your news. Do stay updated on our channel for more upcoming news and events.
This is Gautami Gopal Patil
and this is Tanvi Ramesh Patil
signing off.
Thank you.